Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Alek, and in this short tutorial I will show you how to protect your images in WordPress. I'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring everything is crystal clear so you know exactly how to do it by the end. I am on the homepage of my website alekonline.com, which I use for my tutorials. If I right-click this image and select Save Image As, I can save it on my PC. Another option to download this image is to right-click somewhere on the page and select View Page Source or use its keyboard shortcut Ctrl+U. When it opens, I can use another keyboard shortcut Ctrl+F for the Find command and enter JPEG. When I find the image web address, I can right-click on it and select Save Link As to save it as a JPEG on my PC. How to prevent this? The simplest answer is to install a WordPress plugin. I will return to the dashboard, hover over Plugins and select Add New Plugin. In the search bar on the right, enter Disable right-click. We will use the plugin called Disabled Source, Disabled Right-Click and Content Protection. In addition to all the protection it provides, it has good reviews and a decent number of active installations. It was updated 2 weeks ago, meaning the developer regularly updates it and it's compatible with my version of WordPress. Click Install Now to install it. And when it is installed, click on Activate to activate it. If I reload this page, the newly created Disabled Settings section will be in the left column. You will find 6 different options this plugin provides when you click on it. I will leave everything as it is, and to see if it works, you need to be logged out of your dashboard. But if I open my home page in the new incognito window, and right-click the image, the option doesn't work. It doesn't work if I try to select the text to copy it. Similarly, if I try to right-click somewhere on the page to open the source page, it doesn't work. This is how good this plugin is. And that would be all for this tutorial. Now you know how to protect your images in WordPress using a free plugin. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button below. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to my channel to stay updated on future tutorials. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. There are no stupid questions, only stupid answers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.